No volume, no trade, just a couple of football losers. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Monday, January the 30th. And what a horseshit day we have going on now. The volume has totally disappeared. Markets are a little bit softer, but of course we said that they would be softer based on where they are in the phases of the market. They're up against resistance, and certainly not a surprise that there's not much action going on. Apparently, we're waiting for either earnings, the Fed, or jobs this week. At some point, this market has to get back to some normality, which we have not seen for quite a while. In the meantime, the four major, actually the Dow just turned positive, interestingly enough. Okay. NASDAQ is down, S&P down, Russell down. Okay, we're long all four, but again, it's just, there's nothing going on, so there's nothing to get and excited about. Okay, so we'll just continue to sit back, and we've got our positions, and there's not a lot to do. Crude is under pressure again after being much higher overnight. It is now lower on the day. We are still long. Gold is gold is lower, we're long. Silver is higher, we are long. Bonds and notes are dead flat, and we're still long. The euro currency is higher, we're long. The dollar, which we no longer trade, is down. It would be short. Bitcoin is slightly higher, we're long. Copper is lower, and we're still long. And nat gas is getting hammered once again, and we're still short. In the grain markets, you've got corn slightly lower, we're long. The soybeans up nicely, we're long. And wheat flat to slightly lower, and we're short. In the protein complex, which we no longer trade, but cattle, both fats and feeders, are slightly higher, we would be long. Hogs, we would be short, and they're slightly lower. In the softs, cocoa is higher when we're long. Cotton is lower, and we would be short. Sugar is higher when we're long. OJ is higher when we're long. And coffee, we reversed this morning to long, and that is higher. But again, this is virtually impossible. As I told the day traders when we signed off a few minutes ago, it's a good day not to trade it, to day trade. You're trying to have a position. If it's at your levels, that's fine. But if you're trying to day trade this, it's almost extremely challenging, very tough to trade, and you'd be better off probably not getting involved here. There's not a big edge to trying to be active in this market. And of course, don't forget about our sponsors, Trader Brokerage, Capital Trading Group on the sides, and of course our high school program. And as I did say in the opening, both games were losers for us. San Francisco, no quarterback. But I will say that when you're watching a billion-dollar industry and the officials are changing the outcomes of games, I mean, Philadelphia is good, and they kicked the crap out of them. But that first touchdown should have never been a touchdown. So, in the meantime, no complaint. It is what it is. That's why it's gambling. Okay. But certainly, hopefully, the NFL will do something about their officiating and about using technology like they do for everything else. So, in the meantime, have a great day, everybody. We'll see you back here tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update.